What's up, guys? I was gonna show y'all something about taking apart hydraulic cylinders. I made a video a few minutes ago about rebuilding one of these cylinders on these downriggers. And I showed about the seals, about how to replace the seals, but I forgot to mention about the how to take the cylinder itself apart. I've got a cylinder right here. This is just a stirring cylinder, but I'm gonna show y'all the basic concepts of it. This right here is actually this piece. As you can see, it's got holes here. That one's got holes there. But pretty much, if you look on your cylinder, there should be like a little split, like a notch going out of it, like a hole. What that actually is, on these cylinders, you've got a hole right there. They've got a keyway that locks it in. This right here is actually the metal key. What that does is that goes in this notch. Let me put this over here where you can see. That actually goes in this notch right here. And then you got some different size wrenches here. I think it was this one. Yeah, I think that was it. All right. They make different size wrenches to take different stuff apart. But basically, this right here goes in this notch. And there'll be like a little, in your cylinder, you pretty much turn that and it rolls just around. And it pretty much locks it inside the cylinder. Right here is actually a new key. So you just pretty much, let me find my gap again. You pretty much put that in there whenever you put your new one on. And then you take and hook your clips on it and you turn it. And what it does, it smashes that around it. And it actually makes it round like that. It just bends it into shape. And that actually locks it. Because inside your cylinder here, you've actually got a little lip in there, and that's what holds that little key. That little flat key locks inside of it. Actually, I can get that in. Where you can see that. No, I ain't got enough light. It's on the back side right there. There's like, if I can't get into it, you might can see it a little bit right there. There's a little notch. It's like a hole. But that's where pretty much where your keyway goes. Let's see what this one looks like. Yeah, I can't see it too good. Yeah, that's pretty much how you take the tips off. That's pretty much your cylinder part right here though. That's this piece. You got these kind of like special tools. They're just little lips, little tips lock in there, and you just turn it. And whenever you turn it, this keyway will it'll pretty much roll back out of the cylinder like that as it comes out. And once it comes all the way out, you'll be able to pull it out. And then once you get that, you just pretty much just take your cylinder, the rod part, and just jerk it, and it'll jerk this part out of your casing right there, out of that part. All right, thanks for watching. If you got any questions, give me a comment and I'll try to help you as much as I can. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can keep up with more of my videos.